Hello friends, welcome you all to another video, and this time I came up with another unboxing video. Here I have purchased, this is actually the skull cap which you can wear under your helmet on your head, and I got it just for 130 rupee from the Amazon. And today I'm going to do the unboxing of these things. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. So let's see the packaging. You can see the packaging of it. It is written as a extreme here, and here is the written as a you can see stereo strand, and actually it is a cotton. It is a cotton. So let me open it first, and it is very easy to open it, and you can see the cap over here. This is the cap, and actually it is a cotton cap, and you can see the holes in it, so wind will flow inside it and you will not get any kind of a problem with it. So now I'm going to wear it to my head. You can see, before you have to wear your helmet, you can wear it like that. You can see totally. Now I'm wearing my helmet over it. So this is the Royal Enfield helmet, you can see. Now I'm wearing it, and you can see that how it is comfortable. So this is guide. So इसमें क्या होगा, जो कि पसीना आपको आएगा, so that will not go into your helmet, and it will not get a foul smell. So guys, if you are new to my YouTube channel, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you can see such kind of videos regularly. Thank you for watching.